This dance is called Amazing Faith. It's a 32 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance. Now I'll warn you in advance, this dance has got a lot of turns in it. So we're starting off on our right foot. So you're going to rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, take a large step to the side. Drag the left towards the right, cross left over right into a hinged turn, quarter turn left, stepping the right back, quarter turn left, stepping that left to the side. And you're going to repeat. So you're going to rock back on the right, recover, step the right to the side as you drag, cross the left over right into that hinged turn, quarter, quarter. Now the choreographer has actually done this with the count timing of quick, quick, slow. Can be interpreted as 1 and 2. So everything is quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. But the idea is to flow all the steps into each other. So that little set of steps once more then. Off on that right. 7, 8. Back, rock, side, cross, turn, turn. Back, rock, side, cross, turn, turn. Add on a back mambo half. So you're going to rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left, and make half a turn left as you step back on that right. Back mambo quarter. So you rock back on that left, recover your weight on the right, make a quarter turn right as you step the left to the side. Back mambo half again, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, half a turn left as you step back on that right, into a standard back mambo, rock back on the left, recover, feet together. So I did say there are a lot of turns in this dance. So that set of steps once more then. So this section is all back mambos. Off on that right. 7, 8, back mambo half, back mambo quarter, back mambo half, back mambo standard. So let's add that to the top piece. Back rock side off on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, side, cross, turn, turn, back, rock, side, cross, turn, turn, back mambo, half, back mambo, quarter, back mambo, half, back mambo, nothing. Now I did warn you there's a lot of turns in this dance. Now the transition from the first section to the second section, you are effectively doing the equivalent of a full turn. So when you do that hinge half turn and then you go into that mambo half, you are doing a full turn. Now there is no easy way of removing full turns or 3/4 turns out of this dance. I have looked at it and it's not physically possible. However, if you are comfortable with doing 3/4, there is an option for you. So do your first section as you would normally do. Your back rock side, cross, turn, turn, back rock side, cross, turn, turn. Now instead of doing the mambo half, just do a standard back mambo. Then do a mambo forward with a quarter turn on it. Then you can go into your mambo half and your back mambo. So you're taking that full turn out, but you are creating a 3/4 turn instead with those mambo steps in that section. So it's optional, it's up to you what you feel comfortable actually doing. So if the full turn does get a bit too much, you can take that out, but you will be introducing a 3/4 turn, so just be mindful of that. So our next section then, we've just done that standard back mambo. We're going to do some side mambos with a cross on them. So starting with the right foot, we rock to the side, recover, cross, mambo, cross. Repeat with the left, side rock, recover, and cross. Into a vine to the right with quarter turn on the end, side, behind, quarter turn. And a chase half turn. Step forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, step forward on the left. So that set of steps once more then, mambo cross off on the right. 7, 8, mambo cross, side behind turn, step, pivot, step. Now there is a 3/4 turn there. This is one you can take out should you wish to. So rather than doing that vine with a quarter, you do a normal vine, side behind side, do not turn. Cross rock, left over right, recover, make a quarter turn left. So you do that cross rock turn instead of the chase half turn. You'll get to the same position as everybody else, but you will have done a quarter rather than 3/4 of a turn. So let's add that section onto the top. Back rock side off on the right. 7, 8. Back rock side, cross, turn, turn. Back rock side, cross, turn, turn. Mambo half, mambo quarter, mambo half, back mambo. Mambo cross, side behind turn, step, pivot, step. So to end the dance, we've got another set of mambos. Almost the equivalent of what we did in the second section, except these are all forward mambos as opposed to back mambos. So we're going to rock forward on the right, recover our weight on the left, turn half, so that's our mambo half. Mambo quarter, left foot leading, rock forward, recover, quarter turn left. Mambo half again, rock forward on the right, recover, half turn right. And a standard mambo, forward rock, close to end the dance. So that section once more then. Mambo half off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo half, mambo turn, mambo half, mambo step. So you have to remember the second section of back mambos, the fourth section are forward mambos. So let's put it all together. Back rock side off on the right. 7, 8. Back rock side, cross, turn, turn. Back rock side, cross, turn, turn. Mambo half, mambo quarter, mambo half, mambo step. Mambo cross, side behind turn, step, pivot, turn. Mambo half, mambo quarter, mambo half, mambo step. So the other beauty of taking that 3/4 turn out with that vine and the chase half turn is you also eliminate the equivalent full turn that results from doing your chase half turn and the mambo half of the last section. So there's a few sort of options there if you do need to try and take some of the turns out. But like I say, you usually end up with a 3/4 somewhere. So that is your dance. Not going to go through the counts because like I said, it's all been choreographed as quick, slow or 1 and 2 count timing throughout. So you can get the feel of it. But it is a 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Back rock side off on the right. 7, 8. Back rock side, cross, turn, turn. Back rock side, cross, turn, turn. Mambo half, mambo quarter, mambo half, mambo step, mambo cross, side behind turn, step, pivot step, mambo half, mambo quarter, mambo half, mambo step, back rock side, cross turn turn, back rock side, cross turn turn, back mambo half, mambo quarter, mambo half, mambo step, mambo cross, side behind turn, step, pivot step, mambo half, mambo quarter, mambo half, mambo step, back rock side, cross turn turn, back rock side, cross turn turn, at mambo half, mambo quarter, mambo half, mambo step, mambo cross, side behind turn, step, pivot step, mambo half, mambo quarter, mambo half, mambo step. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back rock side, cross turn turn. Back rock side, cross turn turn. Mambo half, mambo turn. Mambo half, mambo step. Mambo cross, mambo cross. Side behind turn, step, pivot step. Mambo half, mambo turn. Mambo half, mambo step, backward side, cross turn turn, backward side, cross turn turn, mambo half, mambo turn, mambo half, mambo step, mambo cross, side behind turn, pivot step, mambo half, mambo turn, mambo half, mambo step. Back rock side, cross turn turn, back rock side, cross turn turn, mambo half, mambo turn, mambo half, mambo step, mambo cross, side behind turn, step, step, mambo half, mambo turn, mambo half, mambo step, back rock side, cross turn, back rock side, cross turn turn, mambo half, mambo turn, mambo half, mambo step, mambo cross, side behind turn, step, pivot step, mambo half, mambo turn, mambo half, mambo step, back rock.
Oh, it feels like the first time, every time.
Mambos.
I wanna spend the whole night in your eyes.
Mambo cross.
Don't know how you do what you do. So long
Forward mambo.
just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life, you by my side, forever and ever. In the little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.
Hope you managed that one.